I'm actually glad you brought this part up. So you're a sole proprietor and then switching over to an LLC. This is actually what I did. Krupin's Poopin' Scoopin' is a DBA, which is a doing business as, because I didn't know about the LLC at that time. So I went and filed for a DBA locally. And then I think I went to go open a business bank account. And that is when I was having some issues because of what I wanted for the business bank account, and it was a credit union. They wanted to goodness gracious, they wanted me to be an LLC. So that's when I contacted my friend, and she showed me how to file for my LLC. And it was like, at that time, you could have told me that this was the hardest thing in the world, but it was just a couple clicks, and I was able to file. And then I paid the $50. I got my articles of organization. I think it got emailed to me, and I was able to print it off. And then from there, I went up to the bank and opened up a business bank account. I did have to give that paperwork to my accountant, and he filed some stuff behind the scenes to combine them, to make sure that Krupin's Poopin' Scoopin' was a DBA of Krupin Services LLC. I don't know. I don't know what he did. I guess I could do some research and figure that out, but I don't want to speak on something that I don't know about. I did have help with that. So, having said that, moving forward, I just go and file for an LLC right away when I open up a new business. Like, I have an LLC for KPS Media. I have an LLC for She Built That, which is my online female community for female business owners, if you didn't know about it. I just turned them into legit businesses. And I'm not saying that a DBA isn't a legit business. I'm just saying when you're doing hundreds of thousands of dollars in transactions and you're paying people and there's insurance, the more protection you have, the better. I learned this the hard way last year when I had 2 vehicle accidents and I had to terminate an employee and then combat workman's comp insurance. You know, it's just a lot.